Hola amigos, welcome to my YouTube channel, Fatima Spanish Kitchen, where I'm going to share with you Spanish traditional recipes and family recipes. Today I'm going to share with you a very traditional, very typical Spanish dish that is called a garlic chicken, pollo al ajillo. For this recipe we are going to use a few ingredients. Ingredient that we will need: a whole chicken cut in small pieces, 10 or 12 garlic cloves, 1 glass of dried white wine that have a good quality, 1 cup of olive oil, some salt and pepper, and parsley to garnish. So we are going to start salt and pepper all our pieces of chicken in both sides. So we are going to put some olive oil to heat up in medium-high heat. We heat up the oil and we put our glove to fry. When we put glove in oil, we have to be very careful because they burn very fast. When the garlic is almost done, you can see that it's almost brown. You take it out and we reserve it. Now we put a little bit higher the heat and we start frying our chicken. I prefer to start frying it with the skin down. To bake the chicken, but honestly, I like to fry. The chicken start turning brown, we just start turning it. The chicken is completely, golden crispy, so we take it out. You can see it's too much oil. I'm going to take a little bit off, like a half a cup, and I'm putting back in the stove. And now we add the white wine. When we add that wine, that will be the alcohol will be evaporated. And then I put back again the chicken and also the garlic that we fried before. We cover the pan and we lower the heat. So this have been cooking for 5-6 minutes. Look at that. It smells like heaven. You know how the sauce have been more thick and all the alcohol have been evaporated. And look at that chicken. It looks marvelous. And now we plate that wonderful chicken. We add some parsley to garnish, so the plate looks nicer. The first thing you have to do is try to see if we need more salt and pepper. So good. That is fantastic. I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you would like to receive more, please follow me. And thank you for watching. Adios and have a good day. Bye-bye.